Get this spacious living and dining area. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. You have space, and this is the space of your master bedroom where Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the sample flat tour of the residential project Ayukta Nilkamal. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. This is the actual tower. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, let me take you and show you the actual lobby of the project. As you can see, we are standing at the actual lobby of the project. This is the space of the actual lobby. And this is the way towards the lifts and the staircases. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre that will have one tower with ground plus 22 stories, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with gym, banquet hall, box cricket, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jacuzzi and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Eksar Road, Yoginagar, Borivali West. From where Borivali railway station is only 2 kilometers away, Eksar metro station is only at a distance of 5-minute drive, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 20-minute drive, and school, colleges and hospital is within a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Ayukta Nilkamal. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 659 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can place your large size sofa, center tables and customize your TV unit in the living. You will be getting full French windows in the living area. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy mealtime with your family. As you can see, the living and dining is very spacious. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. And moving forward, this over here will be your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First, we have the kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. You have space provided to place your washing machine. You will be getting full French windows in the kitchen. You can customize your lower and upper cabinet, and you also have space provided to place your refrigerator. Right opposite to the kitchen, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Diagonally opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king and queen size bed along with the side table, customize your wardrobe corner, and you can also customize your TV unit or make this your study corner. You will be getting full French windows in this bedroom as well. You can see this bedroom is also very spacious. You have plenty of workable space after placing all your furniture in the bedroom. Now before moving forward to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And this is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size beds along with the side tables. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom also. You can customize your makeup corner or study table over here. You can also customize your wardrobe space and build lofts if you want. And over here will come your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Ayukta Nilkamal. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ayukta Nilkamal located in Borivali West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.